Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for those looking to establish or improve their credit score using Snap-on Credit. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. If you are watching this video, you already possess the number one asset that will enable you to boost your credit score, a job. You also see me on a weekly basis, most weeks, which gives you the opportunity to take advantage of programs that I can offer you. Let's dive in and talk about some steps that I can help you with. So what exactly is Snap-on Credit? It's a convenient financing option that allows you to make purchases and pay them off over time. You can use it for a variety of items: scan tools, hand tools, power tools, and tool storage. Did you know that using Snap-on Credit responsibly can actually help boost your credit score? Let's see how. The first step is to know where you stand. Check your current credit score using free services like Credit Karma or your credit card issuer. This will give you a baseline to track your progress. The second step is to apply for credit. There is no obligation to purchase anything when you apply for credit with me. Snap-on Credit will review your application and usually within minutes text me an approval status. Once I receive the text, together we can make a plan and discuss options on getting the tools in your hands. Step 3. When using Snap-on Credit, it's crucial to be responsible. Make small, manageable purchases that you can comfortably pay off. This demonstrates to credit bureaus that you can handle credit responsibly. Step 4. Pay on time. One of the most significant factors affecting your credit score is payment history. Always pay your Snap-on Credit bills on time. This positive payment history will have a direct impact on your credit score. Step 5. Keep a low credit utilization. Credit utilization is the ratio of your credit card balances to your credit limits. Aim to keep your Snap-on Credit balance low relative to your credit limit, typically under 50%. This can positively impact your credit score. Step 6. Regularly monitor your credit report. Stay vigilant by regularly monitoring your credit report. Look for any discrepancies or errors that could negatively impact your score. Dispute anything you see that does not seem accurate. Step 7. Gradually increase credit limit. As you build a positive credit history with Snap-on Credit, consider requesting a credit limit increase. This can improve your credit utilization ratio and positively impact your credit score. Step 8. Diversify your credit. Having a mix of different types of credit can be beneficial. While Snap-on Credit is one tool, consider other forms of credit like credit cards or installment loans to diversify your credit profile. Alright, there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to use Snap-on Credit to establish or improve your credit score. Remember, the key is responsible and timely use. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.